Dixie, did you want to play in the snow?
It's warm in here. I'm still wet.
Alright, Leah, go grab your tool. You can record while you're pushing.
Not really.
You know what?
Okay, what you guys are looking at would be
Is a bunch of frickin' damn
snow
nasty
on
snow.
my mom's Envoy. It's like maybe 2 feet of snow-ish.
2 feet.
Foot and a half. It looks like 2 feet.
That's 2 feet.
Alright, fine. Maybe a foot-ish. It looked a lot worse. Smile for the camera.
In the gloves.
It's a winter wonderland out here. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Alright, I'll go grab your tool.
Really surprised that we didn't lose power last night. It's February 6th, 2010, and we had a major snowstorm last night. Bye, y'all.